Today, Groundworks arrives to Memphis, Tennessee to serve the community and make a lasting impact.
The sole purpose of today's event is to bring in the community and encourage our employees and show them we are here to serve.
This is our 89th ribbon cutting, and we're excited to partner with them at the Chamber. It was just great to see everybody here today working together.
The impact Groundworks is going to bring into the tri-state area is definitely something that's unmatched from other competitors in this area.
So there's a ton of great energy in the Memphis branch.
We've been a national sponsor of St. Jude now for several years.
And Memphis being the headquarters of St. Jude, it's phenomenal for us to get there and work hand in hand with them.
St. Jude treats children with pediatric cancer and other catastrophic illnesses at no cost. We cannot fulfill that mission without friends and companies like Groundworks.
We are recruiting in our community every day. We want the best and brightest folks that are going to come in, take ownership, and serve this community.
This will be a leadership factory.
This next year in Memphis, sky's the limit with growth.